Alright, so I'm doing a video response to NWA Prepper. Talking about first aid kits. A little more than that here on the table, but this is what I carry with me on a day-to-day in my pack. I also carry some knives and some other tools and another firearm in my pockets, but we'll get into that at some other time. So to get started here, I've got the trauma pack, which has got boo-boo stuff. It's got Quick Clot in it. All the good stuff's in there. I got the North American Rescues version of the Israeli combat dressing. I've got one of the North American Rescues cat tourniquets. I got some trauma shears and some band-aids. And then kind of on the first aid medical-ish kind of thing here, I've got Young Living's Deep Relief. I've got a bone tumor in one of my ankles, and that stuff helps me get around a lot. And then I've got, for my other stuff, I've got some Magpul gloves. I've got a Right in the Rain pad and a permanent marker. I've got a Gerber multi-tool and a cheap Walmart multi-tool. But despite it only being worth like $15 at the store, it's provided me a lot more use than that. I've got a little screwdriver and an angled screwdriver. I've got my Surefire flashlight, some spare batteries for the flashlight, along with some other just common batteries. I've got my Glock 17 fully loaded out with spear gold dots. And I got my hat. I got my paracord bracelet there. It's got about 20 feet of paracord, two 10-foot strands, one red, one black. And then I got some keychain tools as well, just nifty little things that we picked up at SHOT Show, like this little tool here. Believe it or not, it will cut wood, even though it's made of plastic. And then, of course, my SHOT Show Glock. I don't leave home without it.